In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stop lagging on Roblox on a Chromebook. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I'm recording this video on my usual Windows computer. However, this process is exactly the same on a Chromebook. So, first, make sure you join a game before changing any settings on Roblox on your Chromebook. So, you can either join a private server if you want to change these settings alone, or just join a public server. It doesn't matter as long as you join the game. Once you are logged into Roblox on any game you like, all you have to do is bring up the usual menu by pressing Escape. From here, go into the settings and you need to make sure a lot of these are turned down. The easiest way to do this is just to set the graphics mode to manual and then lower the graphics as much as possible. You can also set it to automatic, which is going to detect your system settings and change these accordingly, but if you want to be extra sure that the settings are going to be appropriate to your Chromebook, you set it to manual and make sure you are ticked all the way down, so only on one scan quality. You can also turn on the performance stats at the top if you want to see how much memory Roblox is taking from your Chromebook. After you ensure that graphics quality is set to low, make sure you aren't running any programs in the background as well. So if you have Google Chrome, a lot of tabs open, Spotify, Discord, make sure you close those out as well. Once you make sure you are only running Roblox in the background and that the graphics quality is appropriate to your Chromebook, you should be able to play without too much lag. I hope I was able to help you on how to stop lag on Roblox on a Chromebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.